Welcome to a new video, and what I want to show you today is my trading journal. And I developed it by myself and want to offer it for you and also give it for free. And all you have to do is to follow the link in the description. But what can this trading journal do? So here you can see the dashboard, and you can see that there is nothing to see here now because we don't have anything or any data in our journal yet. So first we do need the data, and I wanted it as easy as possible. So the easiest way to import our data is to use the export of the Metatrader, and all you have to do is to go to history, go to a custom period, or do or select all history. And if you select all history or the history you want, then you can go to report, and it doesn't matter if you report the XML file or the HTML file. I will show it with the HTML file now, and you just save it and it will open automatically. So the only data we need is the first chart of this report. So we only need the chart positions. We don't need the headers, and we only need the data, the pure data. And we mark it and then copy this data and then go back to the trading journal and paste it in here. So you can see now there is now all the data, all the trades are in these columns, and we have to do one thing, because if you go now to the dashboard, you can see there are some issues, and here you can see there are issues, and it says okay, value parameter 1368 and so on. So that means if you have trades with more profit than 1,000 euros or dollars or in your currency, you have to delete this space between. So we have deleted the space here, and we have to delete the space here. Everything else is under 1,000 euros, so there should be no problems. Good. If we go now back to our dashboard, we can see okay, it updated everything, and we can now choose our initial balance. This you have to do once in the beginning when you want to use this trading journal. And your initial balance is just the balance where you started or where this data started. For me it was the 10,000 euros, and all you can see now is I did in total 59 trades with netto profit of 4,652 euros, and I can expect 92 euros per trade. The average holding times for winners and losers displays, then the worst trade, the best trade, how many trades in profit, the win rate, the loss rate, also the average trades per day, and so on. So there you have a lot of informations, And you also have some charts here, and those charts, this chart is the balance, so you can see how your trading worked out. So this is only a demo account of myself, and yeah, but it worked quite good. You can see here a huge drawdown and it traded back, so no problem at all. If we do an initial balance with 3,000 euros, you can see, okay, there is nothing here. You can see here is a little bit of the line, but we have to change something here, and we just go to edit the chart, go to customize, vertical axis, and then you can change the minimum amount here, what it has or what it should show. So we do now show 2,800, and then it looks like this. So there's no problem, but you have to make a change here if you have another initial balance. Good. What you can see at the next charts, you can see here the profit per day. So from the 1st to the 31st, you can see when is your best day in the month. You can see the profits of the month. Then also the outcome per trade. You see here I had a really big trade here, big winner, and also some bigger winners here and there, and the losses were small. So I can see, okay, in average it's quite good. I can do the same, or can repeat the same every day. And also you can see here the duration and the profit. The biggest win here with almost 3,000 euros was 408 hours open, so you can't see this quite good, but we do have the option that we can sort. And one cool thing we can do here is also put in a strategy. So if we say, okay, this trade was now EMA strategy maybe, or we do have, I say the first 10 was EMA, then we had a stochastic strategy, and the rest was price action, and also we had maybe a bot running and want to show the bot. So, and in the dashboard we can sort by date. Okay, show me all trade since the 1st of December 2020 to the 1st of April, and I want to just take a look at my GBP JPY trades. So you can see it updates here, and it updates everything you need here. And what we can do is also go to GBP US dollar maybe, and then in the GBP US dollar I just want to see how the bot performed, and you can see there is nothing here. The EMA, nothing. Stochastic, yeah, okay, stochastic. We had in total 8 trades, and we can expect 280 euros per trade. Had a profit of 2,074 euros. So this is, yeah, you can do a lot of things, and for me it was important that you can also take a look at your trades by themselves and have a analysis of your trades if you put it in the journal. And you can put it in here in this column, and all you have to do is to go to your Tradingview. Tradingview is for free, and you can put in here your analysis and say, okay, buy above and closed here, and yeah, that was, for example, my trade. And then I want to put it in the journal, and all I have to do is now go to this little picture to to make a snapshot, and then copy this link and go back to your journal, and you can now put it in this column here. And now if we go back to our dashboard and we take a look at the GBP JPY, and I think it was a bot trade, but it doesn't matter now. And if we can go now to our last, here it is, to our last trade we have here, and then it updates this picture, and we can also for sure go to GBP US dollar, make a snapshot here, copy the link, go back to our to our journal, and then copy this thing in GBP US dollar. Where are you? Here. And then we can go back to the dashboard, take a look at all GBP US dollar trades, and let's see which one it was. It was that one. Yeah, and now you can see you have here now this chart picture in here. So you have a really powerful trading journal here. You can customize a lot of things if you know what you're doing, but please, if you don't know what you're doing, then don't change anything at the hidden columns here, and or the hidden sheets, because if you do anything here and you don't know what you do, then everything at this dashboard here is maybe not working anymore. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to say. Just don't do anything you don't know how to do it. And everything else, I said it in the beginning of the video. If you want to have this trading journal by yourself, this is no problem. I will give it for free, and you have just to follow the link in the description. And if you follow the link in the description, you will get the link to have access to this trading journal. And all you have to do then is to go to File, make a copy, and then you can do everything you want with this copy. Okay? Except for sharing by yourself. Okay, good. I think I explained everything you have to know, and I wish you everything. I wish you the best. I wish you good trades, and see you.